the national capital. Ahead of the Delhi Assembly elections, Delhi BJP President Virendra Sachdeva has hit out at Kejriwal's Mahila Samman Yojana, and he has stated that Arvind Kejriwal has made big claims about the Mahila Samman Yojana, that he will give rupees 2100 rupees in Delhi, and the registration has also been done. There are about 30,000 forms of this Mahila Samman Yojana. Let's in fact listen into what he said.
कैसे अरविंद केजरीवाल लगातार दिल्ली वालों को लूटने का काम करते हैं, उनकी पीठ पर छुरा घोंपने का काम करते हैं, कैसे धोखा देने का काम करते हैं। और ये पूरा का पूरा चरित्र अरविंद केजरीवाल का यही है, झूठे वादे करना, झूठी घोषणाएं करना और फिर ताल ठोकना। आज मैं जो चीजें आपके सामने ला रहा हूं, ये दिखाएगा कि दिल्ली की जनता के विश्वास को कैसे ठगने और लूटने का काम अरविंद केजरीवाल करते हैं, कैसे गुनाह करते हैं, कैसे माताओं बहनों के विश्वास के साथ खेलते हैं। महिला सम्मान योजना, बड़े दावे किए अरविंद केजरीवाल ने कि दिल्ली में हम 2100 रुपए देंगे, घर घर रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाया और हमारी भोली माताओं बहनों से उनसे वो डाटा भी लिया गया जिसकी शिकायतें लगातार आ रही थीं कि डिजिटल फ्रॉड अचानक दिल्ली में बढ़ गए हैं। ये एक विधानसभा का डाटा है, लगभग 30,000 फॉर्म हैं। ये महिला सम्मान योजना, तिमारपुर विधानसभा, 70 विधानसभाओं में कितना लूटा होगा आप समझ लीजिए। और ठगने की स्थिति देख लीजिए। तारीख है 27/11/24 इसी विधानसभा चुनाव की। ये उस बहन का पैन नंबर, ये उस बहन का आधार कार्ड, इलेक्शन कार्ड, और ये उस बहन की बैंक की डिटेल। एक कबाड़ी के यहाँ ये कागज मिले हैं और उस कबाड़ी ने हमारे तिमारपुर के प्रत्याशी सूर्य प्रकाश खत्री जी को ला।
Joining us on the telecast is Mehendi Garg. Mehendi, when it comes to this political war of words about Mahila Samman Yojana, now we are seeing that Virendra Sachdeva has hit out at Arvind Kejriwal. So what exactly is this all about?
Well, indeed, here the war of words has erupted between the BJP and Aam Aadmi Party over the Mahila Samman Yojana that Arvind Kejriwal has announced earlier in the days of, giving 2100 rupees to the women of the national capital. But now the BJP and also Virendra Sachdeva, the Delhi BJP president, has taken a jibe over Arvind Kejriwal's Mahila Samman Yojana, saying that Kejriwal has made big claims about the Mahila Samman Yojana, that he will be giving 2100 rupees in Delhi, and the registration has also been done. But allegedly accusing that there are about 30,000 forms of this Mahila Samman Yojana, the PAN number, Aadhaar card, voter ID, and also bank details, all these documents were found with the junk dealers. So BJP is targeting Aam Aadmi Party, saying that Arvind Kejriwal is only taking the data of the public, of the people living in the Delhi NCR, and not interested in giving the 2100 rupees to the people. And also he accused that the junk dealer gave these to the Timarpur candidate, the forms that have been filled by the people. These forms were given to the Timarpur candidate Surya Prakash Khatri. So yes, Virendra Sachdeva has said that Arvind Kejriwal is betraying the mothers and sisters of Delhi. So this is a very big expose that BJP is claiming that they have done on Arvind Kejriwal and also on the Mahila Samman Yojana, because the forms were shown also by the BJP president in one of the press conferences that he did, and also he mentioned that how he will expose Arvind Kejriwal in the upcoming days as well. And he also said that Kejriwal's respect for dignity of women and concern for their documents safety, he will expose Arvind Kejriwal in the upcoming days as well. Yes, sir.
All right, Mehendi, thank you so much for joining us on the telecast.